weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de... Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Let me guess, 1050 hertz? Yup! Triple header again! This is so broken!
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Alberta at 7:25 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Saturday, June 13th, 2020. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Mountain View County near Sundre, Mountain View County near Olds and Didsbury, and Mountain View County near Cremona and Water Valley. A severe thunderstorm